What's the most important place to network in New York? There is no particular place you can network. You have New York. New York is one of the meccas to music, and your thing should be, matter of fact, if most of you are not signed up, if you haven't released music first then and signed up with the Grammy members of your area, you need to do that. Start attending these events, you know, these shows and events and things like that. Start getting out there, man. You'd be surprised when you start attending these events, especially in New York, and all of it music related. That networking is what you want. Again, don't be pushy, be cool, calm, and collective. Have your business card, or learn how to mail drop on iPhone, because I'm just learning that. These youngsters, I think who was it, Herc or one of them, we was in the studio, right, Carrots, I think we was in the studio with Carrots in Atlanta. The young people was like, you know, their business cards now with the iPhone, so you can take your iPhone and send your business card. But my point being, you know, either have you some physical business cards prepared. Don't give no one a bio of yourself. Put your website up or something like that. Make sure your website is explanatory with your about section, or and be able to drop your information from your iPhone. But just go networking in New York. Go to all the events you can, guys. Again, that's a part of the investment. If you're looking at networking and getting those real network connections, then you have to invest in yourself. Buy you some nice little clothes, you know, make you fashionable, and then go out and hit the floor. What is my opinion on selling merch at gigs? Do it, bro. That's the heart of your money, man. Do it.
Do it. Just do it.
Do it. If somebody feeling you and they like what you do and you represent, you're gonna sell. That's most of your money, family. Sell the merch at your gigs. That's what you do. That's what you need to do. Okay. Dewan 2079 says, SG, how do I get hot in the country? I love the fact I'm getting spins in other countries more than the US, because here's something I really want you to really relate to. And it goes back to what I said to a lot of you guys who are here now, and this truth. The reason why you're getting more spins in other countries, because, and I hate to say this, other countries put more value on our money, on our music. So whether it's hip hop, whether it's R&B, they value our music, because some of the greatest musicians came out of the United States, and they know that, you know, and so they've used that to plateau. So you're making a way and you're getting more spins because of that. Don't run from it. Don't run from it. Don't feel like you have to focus on the USA. There is artists I know, in a couple of my subscribers that live in other countries that make, I promise you, they're making six-figure incomes, and they're no-name artists. No-name artists. So don't run from it. You know, just go with it. Maybe you can convert it from there to there, and we can go into how you can do it, but just focus on that, man. If you're making and you get more spins overseas, you should be. That's where you tour, because you can go overseas as a known, not one person knew. Matter of fact, Billy Blanco, man, he was in Tampa. He made more money overseas than he did in the United States. Millionaire status overseas versus the United States. So don't run from it, man, at all. Go. If you're making money overseas, go with it. Go harder. Go harder. That's what you should be doing. Anywhere that you're making money, you should go harder. Limited liability company is just that, limited liability company. You don't have to have the slew of investors or partners for a limited liability company. You can be pretty much everything, man. So, you know, it just depends on where it is. The best way to start is exactly that, getting that business side set up, man. That's a part of my course I teach people about. The business is the key, man. Getting that found. That's where we effed up at. Oftentimes, as musicians, we are so prideful and egotistical. All we see is the music side of things, right? So as long as I'm pumping out great music, I think that's it.